Hi, Brandon Reagan coming from Guaranty RV Centers. Today we have the 2019 Catalina 313 DBD SCK. All right, so one of the first things you'll notice, this is a bunkhouse unit. You'll see in the very back is going to be a slide out. That's going to be a bedroom. When we go inside, you'll be able to see. Outside shower, city water connection, and black tank flush is all going to be right around here. And then all of your hookups for fresh water connections, power, cable, satellite, and the back tank flush. Let's actually go around the other side here. Open this other one up. Power front tongue jack here. It's got the two bigger propane tanks, room for 2 batteries, and then the rock guard here. This is a Legacy Edition. You'll see it's got the solid steps, and it has 2 awnings on the outside. One awning covering this door, and then another awning that's going to come off of the slide out. If you turn to the right, when you come in, you're going to see your bedroom area, and I'm just going to come around the other way through the Jack and Jill bathroom. So you'll have a tabletop on each side here, a place you can put a CPAP machine or books, anything like that, and then wardrobe on each side. That's where you hang your shirts and coats and things like that. And then again, storage up above. You also have storage under the bed and windows on each side. All right, so just lost my mic there, so if you heard a little bit of silence, sorry about that. So you got the big walk-in shower here. Even a big guy like me can fit in here. Sink, a little bit of storage for towels and washcloths and other things right in here. So when we come out of the bathroom, you're going to see it's got a little fold out here to give you more prep space for in the kitchen. And then you have the big double sink. And Catalina's done a good job here. So it's got the little, so you can move around and move the dish, wash the dishes off. So a lot of storage above where you can put canned foods and such, pots and pans, and storage below. 3-burner stove with an oven. And then your microwave right above. Here's going to be your Norcold freezer and fridge. And then more pantry space on the other side of the fridge here. So more places to put popcorn, marshmallows, s'mores. Here in the dinette we actually have storage underneath. And this can also make out into another sleeping area. The table does fold down. It's got a big, nice, deep slide. And this will fold out into another sleeping area here and make for a nice place to sit down, watch TV. The fireplace actually puts out heat, and it's got the Furion system, which will play DVDs, CDs, USB, all of that fun stuff. But what makes this coach really unique is when we come into the bunk room, when you turn to the right, you're going to see it's got a half bath for the kids. So that's going to have more storage, another place for kids to put things, toothbrushes and that. It's got a nice seating area here where the kids can kind of just hang if it's unfortunately bad weather outside. You can put a little TV in here, and you'll see you have 1, 2, 3 sleeping areas here, which makes this trailer pretty unique. There's not very many that have that half bath. So again, this is a 313 2019 Catalina. If you have any further questions, just ask for Brandon Reagan at Guaranty RV Centers, 541-214-0223. Thank you.